The Dyson V8 typically charges through a docking station, but there are situations where you might need to charge it without the dock. The docking station contains an AC to DC power adapter that outputs 26.1 volts to charge the vacuum's 21.6-volt lithium-ion battery pack. But what happens when your docking station is lost or damaged? The good news is you can charge directly using the original power adapter. You can bypass the docking station by connecting the original power adapter directly to the charging port on the vacuum handle. This method maintains full compatibility and safety because you're using the original Dyson power adapter with the correct voltage and current specifications. This direct charging method is the preferred alternative because it uses the exact same power specifications as the docking station, ensuring your vacuum charges safely and efficiently. Remember, the key to safe direct charging is using the original Dyson power adapter, which ensures the correct electrical specifications for your vacuum's battery. When the original docking station isn't available, compatible 26-volt power supplies offer a reliable alternative. The key requirement is matching both voltage and amperage specifications. Third-party charging cables and generic docking station alternatives are widely available, but quality varies significantly. These solutions range from $15 to $45, compared to official Dyson replacements costing up to $65. Safety certifications are crucial when selecting third-party chargers. Look for UL certification in the United States or CE marking for European compliance. These certifications ensure the charger meets safety standards and reduces risk of damage or fire. Voltage matching is absolutely critical. The Dyson V8 requires exactly 26.1 volts. Using incorrect voltage can permanently damage both the battery and vacuum electronics. Even small deviations outside the half-volt tolerance can cause problems. When using non-certified chargers, constant heat monitoring is essential. Stop charging immediately if the adapter or battery becomes excessively hot. Normal charging produces mild warmth, but excessive heat indicates potential danger and should never be ignored. Success rates vary significantly by charging method. Original Dyson adapters achieve a 98% success rate, while certified third-party chargers reach 85%. Generic uncertified chargers drop to just 62%, and DIY solutions vary widely based on technical skill.